are doing the best way. They are doing it very well. Sindio? They are doing it well, yeah? Thank you so much. Do you have maybe something that you may get it now? Thank you. Let me have some a bit of interview. Where is that media man? Now make sure you are not ready to lose your job, yeah? Yeah. So start recording now. Thank you so much. We appreciate you being here. So do you mind if you may have some time to do any presentation here at home, and like dancing, oh my God, and like, you know, when we see Wazungu, you know how we refer to you Wazungus, eh? Yeah, when we see Wazungu, this will be a history, man. This will be a history. So make the history nice by just doing a bit of it, yeah? We appreciate. Yeah, asante, yeah? So you know asante? Oh yeah, na hakuna matata. Yeah. Hakuna matata, eh? Yeah. I can see a deal. We are making a deal here. Yeah, so who is to do that? Are you okay to do that, or you? Yeah. Yeah, feel free. You're comfortable. I want to recognize your presence. This is from the host. The host, that gentleman said, no, you must recognize our guest. Yeah, it's a special guest in here. Yeah, so.
Yeah, but they remember the song anymore, so I'm not gonna
come on, I'm saying we need some interpreter. Yeah. You can't remember. It goes like. Yeah. Say one word. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. We allow you to go and sit down, but before you do that, here in Africa we have something like that doorway presentation. You know about all these things. What do you call it? From your home country? There is nothing like that. They do. Presentazione. Presentazione. So you can say we have come for presentazione. Oh my goodness. Nipigieni makofi kwa kusema hiyo. Thank you so much. From
Netherlands.
Yeah, Netherlands. Yeah. No, Netherlands, you remember you took some of our guys with an ICC, eh? Yeah. Were you there? And I saw somebody like you're not there. Thank you. Netherlands, you see the doorway presentation? They pray at the taxi, praying taxi. No sawa.
I know it's a difficult language.
Yeah, it's a good girl. Yeah. I remember. Yeah. You are American. Yeah, so you just say I'm not doorway presentation. Thank you. Wacha tuwapigie makofi. Go to sit down. Yeah. Thank you. Na nitugukuhe andu we umarehete. Kanyamu kau kaige wega muno kandumira kario script ihana ogwe. Na thutha wikire kinyamu kiria kia George Bush. Background. Sawa. Don't know korio ni wenda gutewira waku brother.